Hi, I'm Tina Stromsted. I'm a Jungian analyst and a dance and somatic psychotherapist, an author and a teacher who loves also to work cross-culturally. So I work in many parts of the world and I learn as much from other peoples and places as I teach, I'm sure. So when we gather together, and I hope you'll join me for this live and recorded workshop on fairy tales, which are symbolic representations that have a lot of teachings for our lives. In this case, we'll be working with the Handless Maiden. It's a timeless tale that the Grimm's brothers collected in 1812, but it's been powerful for centuries and across cultures. And it has a lot to say about our times these days. It's about empowering the wounded feminine. And specifically in this story, which is a metaphor, she's without hands. She goes through a wounding at the hands of her father, who's kind of duped by the devil. I don't want to go too much into the story because you'll learn more at that time. But she goes from being handless, which means feeling disempowered, feeling incapable, feeling hopeless, feeling out of touch with what she's able to offer. And through working with the challenges in the fairy tale and with a loving element and a sacred element and an encounter with the masculine that's very, very meaningful. So we're talking about the transformation of the wounded masculine as well. She regains her hands. She grows them back. And that makes her creative, capable, empowered. She's able to reach out, to hold, to tend, to love, and to shape her own life and help contribute to making a better world. So it's a very transformative tale, and it brings in both the feminine and the masculine, thinking and feeling, logos and eros, yin and yang, those properties within all of us and in our relationships. I would love to welcome you to this class. It would be exciting to have you there. We'll have chances to move together, share the story, reflect, have Q&A together, write, draw, and be together in these challenging times to gain more resilience, nourishment, and community connection. I hope you'll join me for this transformative experience.